Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 71 Blazer, completely rotisserie restored, and you're gonna love taking a look at it. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna get the hood up, take a look at that 350 4-bolt main power. We're gonna look at that beautiful interior. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great choice on your Blazer investment. So come on up and we're gonna fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out. Chrome on the front bumper's brand new, the grill's brand new, all the trim's brand new. The paint is phenomenal. I tell you, looks factory original, guys, and probably one of the most popular colors on one of these trucks. Very, very sharp build here. Great looking wheel and tire combo. It has had a little bit of a lift put on it, and of course it's got those big tall 33s on it. All the emblems look good. All the trim on the side looks awesome. Look at those door jambs. All new latches, all new interior. Look at that carpeting. Check out that dash. Look at the chrome there. Look at the faces on the gauges. Just beautiful. The dash pad itself's in beautiful shape. That center console looks brand spanking new. And take a look back there at the back seat, man. Put the kids in that thing and get ready to roll. And don't forget, the top comes off, so you can go topless in this baby. You can also take that back seat out and pretty much put anything in there you want to put in there. Haul it around, get your canoe in there, get your tent in there. Tailgate comes down. Tailgate looks like it's brand new. We got a great big old Cooper spare tire on it. Look down the side of it. She's straight as an arrow. Beautiful bodywork on the car. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this Blazer. So you can bet we spent the time to check it out before we bought it. When we get them back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any questions you have. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now we're bringing in about 40 new cars and trucks every month, and I take a look at every one of them. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience in the muscle car industry, helping you pick out your dream truck. All right, let's go for a ride in a 71 Blazer. Rotisserie restored Blazer here, guys. This thing's amazing. It drives great, sounds awesome. It's got some loud mufflers on it. Sounds great. That 4-bolt main 350 making the power, 4-wheel drive, and it's just an amazing truck. I tell you, these things are getting hotter and hotter and hotter. And this one is just beautiful. Now the gentleman that builds these for us, he's actually, oh shoot, I think he's built like 5 of these trucks for us. So we've had a lot of fun with these. They're just drop dead gorgeous. He starts with rust-free bodies from out west and then puts them on a rotisserie, takes care of every odd and end on the truck. I mean, everything on it looks brand spanking new. You're gonna love it when we park this dream in your drive. Now, Tommy can ship this truck anywhere in the world. You just give him a call at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you how easy it is to park this dream in your drive, no matter where you live in the world. And if you need help with financing, we got you covered in that area too. We've got 3 bankers we work with on financing. It takes about a 15-minute phone call with the banker and you're all set up. If you'd like to fill out an app online, you can go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. It's real easy to fill out that app online also. We'll take a look down here on the dash. You can see all the dash, everything looks brand spanking new. We got the fuel gauge working, the tax working, we got the speedo working, we got temperature gauge down here, battery gauge over here, oil pressure, and then it's just got the AM radio in it. It's just an amazing truck, guys. Now, we're right outside the Motor City. We're only 20 minutes from the airport, so if you'd like to fly in and take a look at this truck or one of the other 235 cars we've got in stock right now, we'd love to have you. We sell most of our stuff sight unseen, so we don't get to meet a lot of our customers, so boy do we like having company, so come on out. If you fly in, we're only 20 minutes from the airport. We'll actually come down to the airport and pick you up. If you'd like to drive in on like a Saturday, we're here till 3 o'clock. We're real close to Ann Arbor, Michigan, just as a landmark. Truck's driving awesome. I tell you, we're 4-wheel drive. We got some big 33s on it. We're up high in the air. She's driving awesome. Now we're about to do something that nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this truck up in the air so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look under the hood. And if you see something on the truck you'd like a little different to make it perfect for you, we've got 13 mechanics on stock. Just talk to Tom. We can pretty much do anything to a vehicle that needs to be done. So stick with us. We're gonna get it up in the air right now. All right, we're underneath this amazing Blazer now, and she is pretty under here. Look at the paintwork on the bottom side of the bed. All the lines are new, all the bushings are new, gas tank's new, all the bolts are new, and the spring shackles. The exhaust is brand new. In this rear end is a 373 gear, and it is an open rear end. You can see all brand new brake lines here. We got some blocks here in the springs. They look like about 1.5 inches. We got brand new hardware on the brakes, and the guys will pull the brakes apart, make sure they're all brand new inside also. We've got brand new shocks here, brand new mufflers. All the paint work up here is amazing. Looks like brand new parking brake cables. We got a period correct transfer case here. Bottom side of the foot boxes here, the doors looks like they're brand new. The pinch weld looks good. The floorboard up here is all nicely painted. We got a turbo 350 trans. It looks brand new. Closeout panel. Bottom side of the motor's nice and clean. The shocks up here are new. Of course, we got the same gear up front here and the front rear end 373. We do have disc brakes up here. Backing plates are all cleaned up. All the steering gear looks new. All the bushings and the springs look new. Chrome on the front bumper, the grill, everything looks new. I mean, this looks like a brand new Blazer, guys. Let's look at those wheels and tires up close. All right, up front here, we got some brand new Coopers. These are 33 12.5 by 15, and we got lockout hubs. Looks like the rims are brand new and the trim rings. Let's check the rear. All right, of course, out back here, same good looking rims, center caps, and trim rings, and the same size tire. 33 12.5 by 15s. Look at those wheel wells. They're all nicely painted. Paintwork even on the bottom edge of the quarters here looks good. Bottom sides of the rockers are beautiful, and it is gorgeous, guys. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a period correct 350. This is a 4-bolt main motor. It was rebuilt by the local machine shop in the gentleman's neighborhood where he built this truck for us. It's got air conditioning. Take a look at that evaporator box. It looks brand spanking new. All the valves look new. All the hoses look new. It's got a period correct carb on it. It's got, looks like a brand new power booster and master cylinder on the brakes. So it does have power brakes. She does have power steering. It's down, the pump's way down there. Looks like the alternator's brand new. The fan shroud's new. The cross-flow radiator looks new. The condenser looks new. Receiver dryer looks good. All these lines look good. The grill looks like it's new. Paintwork on the bottom side of the hood and the paintwork on the firewall is beautiful. She's an amazing truck, guys. She's a blazer. She's been completely rotisserie restored. Frames all painted up, 4-bolt main, 350 under the hoods. You're not gonna find a better truck, guys. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.